Hello children, welcome to our class 6th Science Chapter 9 Plants, Parts and Functions. Today we are going to learn Activity 7 Transpiration. Do you know that excess water is removed in the form of vapors from the leaf surface? Water absorbed by roots, water travels through plant, water evaporates from leaf surface through the tiny holes. The small openings on the underside of leaves are called stomata. To understand this, let us do the following activity. Choose a bright summer day to do the activity. Select a well-watered plant that has been growing in the sun. Enclose a leafy branch of the plant in a polythene bag and tie up its mouth. Take another polythene bag of same size and tie up its mouth without keeping any plant. Keep both the polythene bags in the sun. After a few hours, observe the inner surface of the bags. What do you see? Are there any droplets of water in any of the bags? Which bag has droplets? How do you think they are formed there? Plants release excess water in their body through stomata and some other parts as well. The water is released in the form of vapor and this process is called transpiration. These vapors condenses and are seen as droplets in the polythene bag. Think what will happen if transpiration does not take place in plants. Another leaf function is the preparation of food for the plant by the process of photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? Leaves make food for plants in the presence of water, chlorophyll, carbon dioxide and sunlight. This process is called photosynthesis. Thank you, my dear children.